Hello students, in this lecture we will study about the formation of typical spinal nerve. In the previous lecture we have studied about the cranial nerves. Now the spinal nerves, they are about 31 pairs of spinal nerves. Now in this diagram we have sketched the formation of typical spinal nerve. Now see here, the 31 pairs of spinal nerves, mainly there are 8 cervical pairs, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar, 5 sacral and 1 is coccygeal. So total 31 pairs of spinal nerves. Now how they are formed? Mainly all 31 pairs of spinal nerves are mixed type. Mixed means they are both, that is the sensory as well as motor in nature. What is meaning sensory and motor? Sensory means they conduct the impulses from receptor organs towards the central nervous system, and motor means the nerves which conduct impulses from central nervous system towards the effector organs are called as the motor nerves. So spinal nerves, they are all mixed types of nerves. Now how they are formed we will study. We have studied that the transverse section of spinal cord. In this is the dorsal root, that is also called as the posterior root, and the ventral root, it is called as the anterior root. Now the spinal nerve, it is formed by joining of dorsal root and ventral root of spinal cord. So this is the dorsal root of spinal cord and this one is the ventral root of spinal cord, and this, by joining of dorsal and ventral roots of the spinal cord, their formation of the spinal nerve. So this is the spinal nerve. So the dorsal root, it consists of the sensory neuron and ventral root consists of the motor neuron, and they together joins to form the mixed spinal nerve. So this spinal nerve then branches into 3 branches, that is the ramus dorsalis, ramus ventralis and ramus communicanus. The ramus dorsalis, it supplies the or innervates the mainly the muscles of the dorsal side or back side of the body. Then ramus ventralis, it mainly innervates the ventral side of the body, and ramus communicans, it communicates with the sympathetic ganglion of autonomous nervous system. So name suggests ramus communicans, it communicates or connects the central nervous system with the autonomous nervous system. So this sympathetic ganglion, it is connected by ramus communicans with the spinal nerve. So in such a way, the typical spinal nerve, it is mixed type of nerve because it is formed by joining of dorsal root and ventral root of the spinal cord, and that's why it gets mixed, because dorsal root consists of sensory neuron and ventral root consists of motor neuron, and both these neurons, they are present in the spinal nerve, so it is a mixed type of nerve. All the 31 pairs of nerves are mixed type of nerves, and they branches into ramus dorsalis, ramus ventralis and ramus communicans. So this is the sympathetic ganglion of the autonomous nervous system. So this is about the formation of typical spinal nerve. Thank you.